These craftsmen are truly exceptional. In this modest workshop, they make repairing the crusher look effortless. The heavy eccentric shaft broke with a sharp crack. It was in perfect condition until it wasn't. Now, it's a different story altogether. Operator Yuan Shoubiao wore a helpless expression. To avoid facing his boss's wrath, he turned to his uncle. The uncle's fourth brother-in-law knew of a small repair shop nearby. The prices? Surprisingly affordable. With no other options, Shoubiao decided to take a chance. When he arrived, he saw a 100 square meter space, with not a single large piece of equipment. His anxiety turned into outright panic, but he calmed himself, deciding to trust the process. With determination, he handed over the damaged shaft. The technicians' confident disassembly implied they had done this many times before. Their expertise was reassuring. The massive steel shaft, broken cleanly in two, was carefully removed from the crusher. Shoubiao's hope was rekindled. The intact bearing components would be salvaged. Despite the damage to the steel shaft, the workers meticulously removed usable parts. Each was disassembled with precision for reuse. While dismantling, they carefully measured the steel shaft to determine its exact dimensions. All components were catalogued. The shaft's worn-out hole required repair. Workers cleaned out the old oil and prepared the area for restoration. Using fire to burn away grime, they left the surface clean and smooth. The massive shaft was mounted on an iron frame and fixed onto the lathe for repairs. Although the lathe was modest, it functioned like a workhorse, versatile and indispensable. It transformed into whatever tool the job required. Their goal? To repair the worn-out whole wall by recutting and reshaping it with precision. What seemed impossible was now just a matter of time and skill. The restoration was underway. Ensuring the rear bearing fits perfectly is crucial. Therefore, the master works with precision and utmost care. Using advanced measuring tools, he obtains precise and real-time size data. One misstep, and the entire structure could collapse. But for someone with decades of expertise, this is child's play. Under his skilled and steady hands, the damaged whole wall is restored swiftly. And now, the real challenge begins. The heavy steel shaft must meet rigorous strength standards. Even with welding, it cannot achieve the required durability. The only solution? Fabricate a new one. So, a fresh shaft is carved from solid steel. Given its eccentric design, it requires precise engineering. With only one lathe available, the complexity of this task is unimaginable. It's a true test of mastery. As the saying goes, no diamonds, no porcelain. Having taken this job for just 2,000 rupees, the master clearly knows his craft. After meticulous axis adjustments and positioning, the shaft takes shape. Its eccentric structure is nearly complete. To ensure a perfect fit, the shaft is hand-polished with care. This ensures seamless bearing installation. After fine adjustments, the desired finish is achieved. The creation of the steel shaft is complete. From the final product, it's clear the master's skill is unmatched. The bearings slide perfectly into place, ready for the crusher's reassembly. With seamless teamwork, the new steel shaft is installed with precision. After installation, the once broken crusher, powered by the new Tianqin axis, is reborn. The craftsmanship is truly breathtaking. Such creativity and precision are worthy of admiration.